How to generate natural sounding voices with text to speech AI vertical bar 11 labs. Key takeaways. Modern AI voice generators can create ultra realistic voices that are nearly indistinguishable from human speech patterns, revolutionizing content creation and accessibility. Text to speech technology, powered by machine learning, can now replicate human speech voices with proper emotion, intonation, and speaking style. 11 Labs AI voice generator allows creators to produce professional voiceovers and natural sounding speech in multiple languages with just a few clicks. Artificial intelligence has transformed the landscape of voice technology. AI text to speech allows content creators, educators, and businesses to produce lifelike audio content in just a few clicks. But how do modern AI voice generators